केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो मतवारा हुआ रे, केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The truth has a way of catching up. Tonight, it caught up with former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain and his patron. 6 years after one of the darkest chapters in Delhi's history, a court has convicted him for the murder of Intelligence Bureau officer Ankit Sharma. Ankit Sharma left home during the 2020 Delhi riots and never returned. His body was later recovered from a drain with 51 stab injuries. For the last 6 years, this ecosystem has been spinning narrative after narrative to whitewash the unforgivable sins of the bloodthirsty riot mob. The court's findings have reignited uncomfortable questions. The judgment records that the attack was driven by communal animus against the Hindus. But the usual suspects in the India bloc have already found their spin, and predictably, it's communal. They're telling us that Tahir Hussain has been held guilty because he's a Muslim. They believe that had he been called Kapil or Anand or Ram, he would have walked out free man.
उसमें तो ये कि आगे रास्ता है कि सेशंस आया है तो उसमें हाई कोर्ट मूव करेंगे और उम्मीद है इंसाफ होगा।
लेकिन उसका नाम ताहिर है, ये बड़ी चीज है। अगर उसका नाम कपिल होता वो भी हो जाता।
जो ताहिर हुसैन की जगह अगर ये नाम आनंद मोहन होता या राम प्रसाद होता तो शायद इस प्रकार की सजा जो है वो नहीं सुनाई गई होती।
Now watch political opportunism unfold in real time. With just months to go before the 2027 Uttar Pradesh elections, former Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal has discovered his newest cause. He's crusading against donation theft in Ram Mandir and is positioning himself as the guardian of Hindu sentiment. Convenient timing, isn't it? Because when you scratch the surface, the mask comes off. While Kejriwal has put out a carefully worded statement distancing his party from Tahir Hussain, his own leader Amanatullah Khan wants real justice from a higher court. And one cannot forget the way Kejriwal's trusted aides tried giving Tahir Hussain an alibi when riots burned the capital.
लगातार जब उनके घर के अंदर भीड़ घुसी, उन्होंने पुलिस अधिकारियों को सूचना दी है, 100 नंबर पे कॉल किया है, एक एक चीज की मीडिया को जानकारी दी कि किस तरीके से उनके घर के अंदर मौत घुसी, और उन्होंने लगातार अपने को बचाने के लिए पुलिस वालों से मदद मांगी। 8 घंटे बाद पुलिस की मदद वहां पर पहुंची और पुलिस ने उनको वहां से निकाला।
The BJP, unsurprisingly, is treating the verdict as vindication of what it has maintained for years. It says the judgment is a slap in the face of those who kept shielding rioters and who put vote banks above national security. Former Delhi Police Commissioner S.N. Srivastava was actually in command of Delhi Police through the riots, whose team was villainized by their ecosystem. He also puts on record that the only instruction from the top was to get to the bottom of the truth. Listen in to both the BJP and former top cop of Delhi.
केजरीवाल, संजय सिंह, मनीष सिसोदिया, इन सब की जवाबदेही दिल्ली की जनता के प्रति बनती है और ये एक राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र जो उस समय रचा गया, आज भी वो सारी चीजें दिल्ली की जनता के दिल में खड़ी हुई है।
इस मामले में ये रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर मर्डर है और ताहिर हुसैन के द्वारा और उसके साथियों के द्वारा और उनके मास्टरमाइंड्स के द्वारा दिल्ली में एक भयानक साजिश रची गई थी।
भीड़ के सामने आता है तो ताहिर हुसैन वो गुंडा है जो आम आदमी पार्टी में अरविंद केजरीवाल का दाहिना हाथ था।
He being the home minister, one thing he had told to us very clearly that we should get to the bottom of the causes for the riots. Number two, he said that go for the truth and truth alone. And he supported us in whatever we did.
The debate is not just confined to Tahir Hussain because the pattern has become predictable. Let's decode the pattern for you. Self-proclaimed Samvidhan saviors first shed tears for riot-accused Umar Khalid, then they rallied behind UAPA-accused Sharjeel Imam. They are openly sympathizing with riot-convicted Tahir Hussain and now are also eulogizing Maoist terrorist Hidma, a Congress MLA from Chhattisgarh. Not just a Congress MLA, even the former Chief Minister of the state, Bhupesh Baghel, have described slain Maoist terrorist Malvi Hidma as his role model. In his enthusiasm to glorify Hidma, the Congress leader conveniently forgets that Hidma played a key role in the Darba Ghati massacre of 2013 that wiped out his own party's leadership in the state of Chhattisgarh. It's not just one leader, even Bhupesh Baghel, a former chief minister and a veteran of the Congress party who echoes the pro-Hidma same line from Kasab to Hidma. Why this leniency for terrorists and anti-India forces? And that is why this kind of backing has triggered a fierce political backlash.
बस्तर के जल जंगल जमीन को बचाने के लिए जो भी सामने आएगा हमारे लिए वो रोल मॉडल। अगर हिरमा जैसे लोग जल जंगल जमीन और खनिज संपदा को बचाएंगे तो वो हमारे लिए रोल मॉडल होंगे।
कांग्रेस पार्टी का एक विधायक नक्सली कमांडर हिडमा को अपना आदर्श मानता है।
बिल्कुल गलत बोल रहे हैं आप, इस प्रकार की बात नहीं है। जो जल जंगल जमीन को बचाने की बात है ना, तो उसकी जो रक्षा करे वो हमारा रोल मॉडल है।
The Congress party chooses to stand with those who compromise on India's national security. This is why Congress party today, Muslim League, Maowadi Congress party.
कांग्रेस पार्टी हमेशा वोट नीति को राष्ट्र नीति के ऊपर रखती है और इसीलिए कांग्रेस पार्टी दंगाई, आतंकी, नक्सली के बचाव में आती है।
And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the legitimate question on the news tonight. Are the India bloc leaders rallying behind riot-accused and terrorists to appease vote bank? That's the question and that's the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining me on the debate tonight, Pradeep Bharari, national spokesperson of the BJP. To my right in studios, on his right is Karan Verma, political analyst. Also joining me in the studio, Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress party. To my left, Karan Bhandari, advocate in the Supreme Court. Vivek Srivastava, political analyst. Professor Atikur Rahman, political analyst. My first question goes to Ashwini Kumar Mishra. And Ashwini, I want to ask you. Are we now down to protecting those who have killed our security forces, those who have killed, wiped out the entire Chhattisgarh leadership of the Congress party, Hidma? Is he the role model, the poster boy? Is Tahir Hussain to be defended on the basis of his religion? Because Imran Masood says if he was not a Muslim, if he was a Kapil or an Anand, nobody would have gone for him. He's been only found guilty because he's a Muslim. Really, are we coming down to this? Do you have one thought to spare for all the CRPF Jawans who have lost their lives because of the Naxalite and the Maoist, Naxalist, terrorist Hidma? Do you have any memory of the 51 stab wounds on Ankit Sharma? Or Hindus are expendable because that's not your vote bank?
Navika, good evening to you, fellow panelists and your viewers. We do not do the politics of vote bank. We do the politics of values. We do the politics which is good for our country. And when we quoted Hidma, it was quoted to a context that anyone who's saving the forest, anyone who's saving the wealth of our country, Ideally, we should like the person for that role, not exactly as a human. Like Sachin Tendulkar को हम लोग like करते हैं because of his cricket, not because of other aspect of Sachin Tendulkar. And similarly, if we give an example of
बुरहान वानी एक मैथ्स टीचर का बेटा था, इसलिए we like him. Osama bin Laden should be liked because he is a very beautiful beard that he has. Is that what you are saying?
I'm not. I'm trying to say that. And आप बुरहान वानी का नाम लिया, तो let me talk about बुरहान वानी also. बुरहान वानी को शहीद कराया था 8 जुलाई 2016 को किसने? महबूबा मुफ्ती ने. 2015 से लेकर के 2018 तक उनके साथ ये सरकार में बैठे हुए थे. बाय दैट लॉजिक इवन मोदी जी शुड बी, बाय द इनडायरेक्ट लॉजिक मोदी भी बुरहान वानी को.
इमरान मसूद, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड ऑन भूपेश बघेल. Substantive answers.
Bhupesh Baghel clarified that he is talking about in the context of saving jungle. क्योंकि अभी हमने देखा है अदानी को ये गवर्नमेंट कैसे पूरा अंडमान निकोबार और जंगल दिए जा रही है. So it was to the context of saving jungles of
you are justifying having Hidma as a poster man.
No.
You are justifying Tahir Hussain as a poster boy.
No, I'm not justifying Tahir Hussain also. Let me come to Tahir Hussain also. Tahir Hussain, I'm happy that anyone who's involved in a riot is convicted. But same should applies to everyone who was involved in those riots. How about Kapil Mishra? How about Anurag Thakur? वो भी तो उसी राइट्स में इन्वॉल्व थे. उनको तो आप मंत्री बना दिए. क्या राइट जब होता है प्रदीप जी, दोनों तरफ से राइट होता है और दोनों तरफ से मॉब को इंसाइट कर रहे होते हैं लोग. आपने एक तरफ के लोगों को पकड़ लिया, विच इज वेरी गुड. दूसरी तरफ के लोग आपके सरकार में बैठे हुए, तो आप उनको छोड़ देंगे?
People in jail were from every community. अखिलेश, अगर आपने ये फैक्ट्स नहीं देखे, बट प्रदीप भंडारी प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड.
Well, Navika ji, whenever it comes to choosing between patriots, security forces and anti-nationals, whether it is the Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party, they always stand with rioters, or they stand with Naxal terrorists, or they stand with terrorists. This is Tahir Hussain, who's been convicted of A, murder, 302, B, inciting a mob against the Hindus, 3, for promoting enmity, and for conspiring the entire riot in which IB officer, a man in uniform, Ankit Sharma, was killed. And the Aam Aadmi Party's entire senior leadership, where the Sanjay Singh at that time saying, in fact, Tahir Hussain on record said that Sanjay Singh spoke to me for thrice and assured that he has spoken to the DCP and nothing will happen. And it is just not Sanjay Singh. At that time, you had the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party saying that they will give character certificate to Tahir Hussain. Until today, Amatullah Khan believes there is injustice which has happened and he'll appeal to the higher court. So it's not an isolated event. On the same day, you have Imran Masood, who says that Tahir was only sent behind the bars and convicted because he's a Muslim. And this is the same psyche which Sonia Gandhi reflected, because Sonia Gandhi shed tears for Batla House as per Salman Khurshid. You have Hafiz Saeed, a terrorist who was called Hafiz Saeed, J.E. by Digvijay Singh. You had Burhan Wani, a terrorist who was declared as poor headmasters by the Congress ecosystem. And it's not just limited here. Now, Hidma, who's responsible for the killing of 76 CRPF Jawan in Dantewada, 32 in Jiraram, 17 in Meena, 22 in Sukma, and more than 26 major attacks on our security forces have been declared and eulogized by the Congress party. I'm not surprised, because Digvijay Singh wanted to do satyagraha in front of the Naxal terrorists. So what is now clear, Navika ji, that what the Honorable Prime Minister said, that the Congress party has become a Muslim League Maoiwadi Congress. It's aptly clear. They are backed by urban Naxals, they support rioters. And 10 seconds, just a 10-second point, Ashwini. If you believe that he's only been targeted for his religion, so Haseen, Samir Khan, Firoz, Gulshan, Shoaib Akhtar and Majeen, they've been acquitted in the same case in which Tahir has been convicted. So are they bad Muslims for you just because they've been acquitted? Stop playing vote bank politics and stop compromising the national security of the country. Either you stand with the forces or you stand with Naxal terrorists. There cannot be one and two. You stood with Naxal terrorists, you stood with terrorists like Burhan Wani, and today you are standing with rioters like Tahir Hussain.
Ashwini, it's important. 5 people, 6 people who were let off were also Muslims. Are you saying they are lesser Muslims because they have been
Navika ji,
acquitted?
First, Naxal, 80% of the villages which were Naxal affected were made, were basically cleaned during UPA government itself.
It's a lie.
It's not lie.
It's a lie.
Get your facts right. Get your facts right. Out of 300 odd villages, out of 300 odd villages, around 270 were made Naxal during UPA government. Get your data right. Get your data right. Now, important question is, why are you shielding? Why are you shielding your former leaders who are involved in robbing? Why are you shielding Kapil Mishra? Why are you shielding Kapil Mishra? आपने कपिल मिश्रा को शील्ड क्यों किया?
अरे कोर्ट ने
कपिल मिश्रा को ले जाओ। कपिल मिश्रा को नहीं था क्या?
वो राइट है, इसलिए उसने चाकू नहीं उठाया। वो कपिल है, इसलिए उसने राइट को आने लिया। वो कपिल है, इसलिए कपिल मिश्रा राइटिंग यही सच्चाई है।
था कि नहीं?
यही सच्चाई है।
वीडियो
यही सच्चाई है। चले जाओ कोर्ट में, चले जाओ कोर्ट में। मेरा खून खोल रहा है। जब देखो आतंकवादियों को बैक करते हो, जब देखो नक्सल आतंकवादियों को बैक करते हो, देशभक्त की बेइज्जती क्या पाकिस्तान को?
One minute. Let me get in Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal says we have distanced ourselves from Tahir. We have thrown Tahir Hussain out of our party. Then only we have nothing to do. I want to ask you, what about the double standards? Amanatullah Khan, who's an MLA in his party, is today defending Tahir Hussain. So where is the distancing? The Aam Aadmi Party, even today, is supporting Tahir Hussain. Even today. Has anybody, and may I tell you the chronological order, whether it was Ajmal Kasab, the National Advisory Council members write letters that Kasab should get justice. Yaqub Memon, you get the Supreme Court reopened. Omar Khalid or Sharjeel Imam, who said the chicken neck must be cut so that, Northeast will be separated from India. All of these people, along with Tahir Hussain, are in the Hall of Fame of the India Alliance because you want to defend them.
No,
is this a coincidence or is this a pattern?
No. It's not a pattern. It is to stand with the Constitution. Omar Khalid may be right, Omar Khalid may be wrong. However, you cannot keep a man behind the bars for so many years without a trial, and the hearings keep on getting postponed. Yes. That is our problem, and that is the issue we are trying to raise.
Naxals do not believe in the Constitution of India. I object. Yes, I do. That's why I'm sitting here. I object.
You believe in Constitution?
Your party, Vivek, had written a letter. You had supported him. He's your alliance partner.
Let's speak one by one. So our contention is that if he is an anti-national and he has done something which is against this country, the judiciary of this nation must be
writer or not. Hidma Naxal terrorist not.
बाबा मैं हर एक चीज पे आऊँ, मुझे बोलने दीजिए।
हिडमा नक्सल आतंकी है ही नहीं है।
मैं बिल्कुल बताऊंगा सर, मुझे 20 सेकंड दीजिए। पहले तो मैं उमर खालिद पे आ जाता हूँ। आप मुझे यहाँ पे इश्करण भंडारी बैठे हैं, बहुत अच्छे वकील हैं, बड़े केसेस लड़ते हैं, सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी के साथ नेक टू नेक काम किया है। मुझे बताएं साहब, 5 साल 6 साल तक अगर एक आदमी की हियरिंग नहीं होगी और जिसकी वजह से उसको नहीं मिल रही है,
why don't you speak about UAPA accused Sharjeel Imam? Please read the court verdict. Please read the court verdict and how it says that Sharjeel Imam was actually Omar Khalid. The idea was being taken forward. The verdict says that. You will defend Sharjeel Imam. You will defend Omar Khalid. You will defend Tahir Hussain. What kind of mentality is this?
If the name was not Tahir Hussain, if the name was Karan Verma, he might have been let off. And he might have, no bulldozer.
Karan Verma is an honorable panelist. He's sitting. Is this sorry, is this a coincidence कि आपको करण वर्मा का नाम आता है? आपको ताहिर हुसैन का नाम मुंह से निकलता नहीं है, करण वर्मा का नाम आता है. Are you stereotyping him now? Karan, the floor is yours.
नाविका जी, एक बात होती है ना, जब नाश मनुष्य पे छाता है, पहले विवेक मर जाता है, सिंबॉलिक है, तो इनका विवेक नाम है, विवेक हैज गॉन फॉर अ लॉन्ग वॉक. अब मेरी बात सुने, मैं इसी का जवाब दे देता हूं. इनके साथ दिक्कत क्या है, जब भी कोई, और मैं ये बहुत एड्रेस करके बात कर रहा हूं, जब भी कोई एक आतंकी या कोई भी आदमी आता है, ये कहते हैं आतंक का कोई मजा नहीं होता. फिर ये कहते रहे ये भटके हुए युवा हैं, गरीब थे, इस वजह से मजलूम थे, इस वजह से हुआ। आज मैं एक बात कह रहा हूं, उन्होंने नाम की बात करी, तुम इन्हें स्टूडेंट बना दो, दे विल बिकम एन उमर खालिद। यू मेक देम अ डॉक्टर, दे डू अ रेड फोर्ट। यू मेक देम अ काउंसलर, दे बिकम ताहिर हुसैन। What is this? You have to address the root, and I am addressing the root here. Navika ji, look what court has said. Let me speak. एक second. आज कोर्ट ने क्या कहा, मैं जरा बताना चाहता हूँ। ताहिर was एक second. ताहिर was continuously
Vivek, after bringing up Karan Verma's name, at least you should have the decency to listen to his response. Please.
Sure, I respect him.
What the court has
The
said.
respect has been demonstrated on national television to the people of India. So keep your respect in your pocket and please listen to the response.
What the court has said today, and I am reading this out. Tahir was continuously acting in a manner of supervising and motivating his mob. Every member of the mob assembled there and participated in the objective of targeting Hindus. Tahir was continuously targeting Hindus. ये समझो बात को, आप करण वर्मा को ला रहे हो, किसी और को ला रहे हो, यहाँ ताहिर हुसैन है नाम उसका, और बोलना सीखो कि वो एंटी हिंदू है। ये एंटी हिंदू राइट्स थे, दिल्ली राइट्स थे, देवर एंटी हिंदू राइट्स, इनके झूठ की वजह से स्टार्ट हुए थे वो। एंड नाउ नाविका जी मेक अ सब्सटेंटिव पॉइंट, ही कंटिन्यूअसली हैकल। 14 दिसंबर, आपको मैं जरा एक क्रम बताना चाह रहा हूं, ये बहुत बात कर रहे थे क्रम की। 14 दिसंबर 2019, सोनिया गांधी, इनकी जो सुप्रीमो है, शी मेक्स अ स्टेटमेंट, सेज आर पार की लड़ाई होगी सीएए पे, हमसे नागरिकता छीनी जा रही है, सड़कों पे उतरो। What happened on 15th December? Violence in Jamia. 16th December, illegal Shaheen Bagh blockade, which the Supreme Court says is illegal. By the way. 9th January, Sharjeel Imam makes the statement, अगर हम 50,000 इकट्ठे हो गए नॉर्थ ईस्ट को काटेंगे। 20 जनवरी उमर खालिद से 24 फरवरी को ट्रंप आ रहा है, उनको लार्जर मैसेज जाना चाहिए। And finally, the riots happen and Ankit Sharma is stabbed. Shame on the Congress party. Shame on people like Vivek who give it intellectual cover fire.
You have not answered my questions. I asked you a straight question. Which court has said that Umar Khalid is guilty? And where is that statement and where is that
ताहिर हुसैन बोल दिया, उस पे बोल पा रहे हो,
तो उमर खालिद
ताहिर हुसैन पे बोल पा रहे हो। नाविका जी आपसे एक चीज पूछनी है,
ताहिर हुसैन पे
आज आम आदमी पार्टी,
क्या वो कपिल मिश्रा को जानते थे?
एक सेकंड,
क्या वो कपिल मिश्रा के साथ आम आदमी पार्टी
ऐसे आप इनको
काम करते थे सर?
You don't have single statement to make on Tahir Hussain. Not one statement. Every part of your argument is what about me? And I want to bring in Atiq
Question, please. Where is the Aam Aadmi Party? Where is Owaisi's Party? भाई इन दोनों ने इसका करियर लॉन्च किया है, दूसरे ने उसका अच्छा हम देख के रिक्रूट किया उसको। ओवैसी gave him a ticket and Vivek Srivastava
not available for debate on this topic.
Exactly.
Well, let me get in Atiq Rahman.
Shame on them.
Pradeep Bhandari, on many occasions even BJP chooses
never on
not
issues
to come.
of national interest, Navika ji, never.
Well, Punjab, Satluj.
We are there, Navika ji.
After 10 days of the controversy.
It's not a political issue.
So please,
not related to
please don't take the high moral ground. Everybody chooses convenient topics on which they don't want to come or want to come. Atiq Rahman, I want to ask the question straight off the bat. Was Tahir Hussain convicted by the court because of his religion? Because 6 others who have been acquitted also belong to the same community. Why is this being made into an issue by politicians? Is it right to do so simply because every individual and their culpability has been seen on merit? Why muddy the waters for political gain and appeasement?
Navika ji, I am not ready to believe that Tahir Hussain was convicted because he was a Muslim, but I am quite convinced that Anurag Thakur, Kapil Mishra and all other BJP leaders who participated in the Delhi riots, they were made ministers because they were Hindus.
I object.
They were from the BJP.
I'll give you time counter, allow him to complete.
Now, my convictions can go wrong. I haven't completed, Pradeep. So, Navika ji, there is one upright Justice Muralidhar. He had asked the government to book all those like Anurag Thakur and Kapil Mishra in Delhi riots case, but they were made ministers. What do I think about them? If you are ready to convince me that Tahir is convicted not because of his Muslimness, then why are these Hindus made ministers despite justice, who is now sitting in the UN Human Rights Commission? He was not, promoted to the Supreme Court bench because he gave something which was against the ruling BJP. What do I believe? I am not a citizen of India. I have my own convictions. And I, for God's sake, will not tolerate anything. If the courts are convicting, he is going into appeal. Tomorrow might be he is freed. That time you won't run this debate. If Muslims are, they are let off from the courts, Navika ji never have any discussions on them. Scores of them were let off by the courts, even in Bobla's cases, even Tablighi Jamaat case. You never apologize, Navika ji. The smear campaign which the entire media, the mainstream media ran about Tablighi Jamaat falls flat in the court of law. They were all Muslims. They were targeted, Navika ji. You had targeted them. Various other channels.
In this case, the Hindus were targeted. In this case, the Hindus were targeted. Will you are blaming the media. Will you ever mention about Hindus when they are targeted? Ishkaran Bhandari, is that not a very convenient position to take? Talk about one community, forget the other. What they are blaming others for, isn't that exactly what they do themselves?
Navika ji, in Tahir Hussein's case, there is testimony that Kafiron ko maro was the slogan in the area. But before delving further into it, two short legal points on Umar Khalid. It is said that when you are young, you are leftist, but when you grow up, you become sensible. But Vivek Srivastava has taken the opposite journey. From a leftist, he's become a Naxal. Because he said, Umar Khalid case mein hearings hi nahi ho rahi. If you do not get bail, that does not mean case under hearing nahi ho rahi. And how often did the accused take time, take dates, try to challenge every order to the highest court, withdraw petitions? All that delay which was caused by the accused has been documented in court orders, and you cannot take the benefit. Once again, please don't interrupt. No, I didn't interrupt you. And all the misinformation you are spreading here is a typical Naxal tactic. Please don't do it. Now coming back to the case. Because you were misinforming the viewers that case mein hearing nahi ho rahi. India, every case hearing is happening. Because you don't get bail order, does not mean hearing nahi ho rahi. Now let me come to the other aspect of Tahir Hussein's case. Please understand. अरे पोस्टपोन नहीं हुई. डिफेंस अगर डेट ले, डिफेंस अगर अक्यूज बोले मुझे टाइम चाहिए जवाब देने के लिए, कोर्ट गिव्स latitude to defend, because if court does not give you time,
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं क्या चार्जशीट फाइल हो गई?
Navika ji, I want to make a point uninterruptedly. Your audience is smart enough. These are all a part of record. The audience has seen it.
आप पहले ये पढ़ के आइए. Why the case of Umar Khalid is taking so long? First you read up that. We will provide you with further research. Ishkaran, lower all other faders.
Yes. Now let me come to the case at hand. Now, yes, thank you. This is not our courts are not Naxal kangaroo courts that you can pass orders the way you want to pass. There's a procedure. Now let me come to Tahir Hussein's case. The highest building in the area was turned into a weaponry, and that weaponry is not only here. The entire strategy where you throw stones, pelt stones from the rooftop using it as a projectile to kill people, where you use women and children in the forefront of agitation, and that model was replicated in other places also. Kitni baar khopa gaya IB officer Ankit Sharma ko, wo court ka record hai. But the bigger danger, Navika ji, I want to cover. Today, thankfully, media and you are covering these cases. But these are not new heroes which you started the debate with. The hero was Yasin Malik, whom the Prime Minister will meet, Afzal Guru, the teacher, or Burhan Wani, or Hafiz Saeed, or Osama bin Laden. So it's been going on for a very long time. It's only today that media is holding to count. In Tahir Hussain case, what is the most dangerous part? He has been convicted, but all those politicians who try to defend him and create unrest in society by saying ये मुस्लिम है इसलिए इसके पीछे पड़े हुए हैं. Also the media, entire YouTube and some channels daily were giving sympathetic coverage to Tahir Hussain, putting his defense out, covering for him, they need to be called for account because he is punished, they are not punished, and they are the greater.
That narrative will not be questioned. What will be questioned is why is somebody defending a young IB official who went from home to attend office and then never returned back, was thrown in a drain. And the court has said there were petrol bombs, there were Molotov, all kinds of arrangements had been made by Tahir Hussain. And Vivek Srivastava, you want to defend a man like that?
Madam, see.
And Hidma is a role model. Do you have the conviction to condemn the statements of Bhupesh Baghel and the MLA from Chhattisgarh?
Let me speak. I feel a corporator from Aam Aadmi Party, a party in power, well, it's common sense, will never do something like this to harm his own
party. So the judgment, the judgment is not common sense. You have better sense than the judges themselves. You have better sense. Fantastic now. The common sense tells him that Tahir Hussain, a corporator of the then ruling party, will never do anything like this.
That's the exactly communist Naxal common sense. Because on record on 22nd November 2025, the CPIM had issued a letter saying that Hidma, a Naxal terrorist Hidma, was quote-unquote tortured, quote-unquote is innocent. So his official line is that a Naxal terrorist who has killed our security forces is an innocent man. And that is what the moot of the entire debate is, Avika ji, that whether it is Ashwini, the Congress party, whether it is Vivek, whether it is the Mr. Khan, none of them are able to call out terrorists, rioters belonging to the Muslim community as it is.
And the track record goes on from the 1984 riots as well, Ashwini.
No.
1984 riot accused के साथ क्या हुआ था? Can you please tell me the history? How Jagdish Titler, Sajjan Kumar were VVIPs of the Congress party? Not one question asked. Today, Vivek Srivastava's argument is Tahir Hussain was a corporator of the ruling party. In which case, Kapil Mishra as well as Anurag Thakur were members of the ruling party of the nation. So how can they act irresponsibly if the same argument is used?
No, I'm not endorsing what Vivek ji said, but what I'm trying to tell is that you should investigate both parties. It should not be that कि एक तरफ के तो हमने
of the court?
No, I'm not questioning the wisdom of the court. I'm questioning your intent. I'm questioning the intent of police. I'm questioning the charge sheet. Why is this filed?
All of that has been submitted to the court. They found innocent.
आप बताइए, पुलिस आपकी है ना?
Is Tahir a writer who's not convicted by the court? Don't do an either or.
Based on the evidence presented to them by the press.
Whenever a member belonging to the Muslim community becomes a writer or becomes a terrorist, why do you either or get a Hindu Muslim? It's a pure Islamist debate. Answer a simple question. Ashwini, you believe that the investigation is not proper under Article 32. You have the power and you can approach the Supreme Court. You have remedy available. Now answer the question. Is Tahir a writer? Is Tahir a writer?
पुलिस चार्ज शीट नहीं करेगी.
अरे तो आप जाके कोर्ट से डायरेक्शन मंगवा सकते हो.
आप देखिए आपके इंटेंट को एक्सपोज करता हूं भंडारी में.
See the debate. We are speaking about Tahir. Ashwini for once not been able to say that Tahir is a writer. He's not been able to endorse men like Haseen, Samir, Firoz, Gulzam who have been acquitted in the same case. So what the precedent they are setting is that the Muslims who will be acquitted of riot or will be away from terrorism are bad Muslims for them. So for you, the representatives of the Muslim community are only members from Indian Mujahideen or Indian members from Jamaat or members like Tahir Hussain. What precedent are sending and how are you treating the Muslim community? So for you, the Muslim community only butlas.
Let me come back. Atikur Rahman. I'm coming. Atikur Rahman. It's not as if there is no crime committed by people of other communities. That's not anybody's case. Who is saying that other communities have only very holy people in them? It's only one community that has a... That is not our case. We are talking about a specific case. In this specific case, Tahir Hussain's case, we are asking you, why is there defense coming in the form of that Tahir has been convicted because he's not a Kapil or an Anand? You know what that statement means. That is my problem. And that is my problem of the mindset. When somebody does something wrong, They must be hung. As a society, we all have to stand in one voice and say anybody breaking the law must be dealt with according to the law. The law cannot change community to community, and that is the only point we are making here. I want to ask you, are you against that thought, or are you against, those who begin to see communities in every verdict?
Navika ji, I think you have hit the nail on the head. That if we are making such communal observations regarding all these cases, the politicians and the parties have their say. As a conscientious citizen, you just tell me, is it not juvenile to think in communal lines when the court are giving their verdict and the people have the right to go and appeal? One important aspect in this, please, Bhandari, please.
Yes, continue.
Only the BJP has the guts to take Sadhvi Pragya Thakur and accuse
I object.
in a bogus case to Parliament.
Found as
Serving
false.
member
His entire Hindu hate comes out here.
So she's been acquitted, but you called her a terrorist for so long. You have problems calling Tahir Hussain a terrorist. Hidma terrorist, वो बोलने में मुश्किल है, but Sadhvi Pragya, so easy to call her. Karan Verma, what do you call these double standards?
I'll have to speak directly to Mr. Atikur Rahman right now, because it's very convenient to push this issue under the carpet, Navika ji. Navika ji, there is a striking example, what Pradeep Bhandari just mentioned. In 2015, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Yaqub Memon both had their funeral procession on the same day. Why is it that so many people turned up for Yaqub Memon's procession? Why didn't Atikur Rahman speak up at that time? Isn't Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam a hero who we all revere? Bipartisan across communities, but they tilted here. Why is it that Imran Masood made that disgusting remark, boti boti karenge, and the Congress immediately hired him? Why is it that this man, Tahir Hussain, did something as despicable as this, and AIMIM immediately offered him a ticket? Sharjeel Imam. So why are these people mollycoddled? When will people like Atikur Rahman, senior members of the community, speak up?
By not filing a charge sheet, and you can keep Sharjeel Imam and Umar Khalid in jail by not filing charge sheet. That is the precedent you are saying.
It's Karan Bhandari.
If someone is guilty, let him face the trial.
Is there a problem in mindset that is exploited by the political parties? Because every time you talk about a Tahir Hussain, they bring up Kapil Mishra, Anurag Thakur. Is there a mindset issue, or is there a real problem?
No, it is a real problem, which is the mindset where naras like kafiro ko maro, sar tan se juda karo, those naras get you votes. That is the reality. We are not facing the reality and going around in circles. If you get hundreds of thousands of people coming to the funeral of terrorists, of course that shows they have sympathy with that terrorist, and politicians want the vote of those people. That's a reality, but we are too shy to speak the reality. Where is the reality? Why did
that is what, as a society, we need to wake up and realize what are we doing to our society when more people turn up for the funeral of a terrorist and lesser for a poster boy from the same community, the man who was the people's president, APJ Abdul Kalam. That is where the problem in the society is just so stark and visible. We did a survey and asked the question, Tears for Tahir, inspired by Hidma. India Alliance Netas backing writer Tahir and terrorist Hidma just for votes? Yes, say 90% people. No, say 6%, don't have a view, 4%. 90% people can see through all your vote bank politics, Ashwini, and that is something that should worry you. Someday, this will be the reason you will repent going into this kind of a polarization. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists.